will show you how to make this small cowl. And this cowl is made by our Persian yarn. Our new yarn is named IRIDE, and it is a cotton brand that is 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. So one skein is just perfect for this small cowl. And we total have 11 colors, and all the colors are so beautiful. So now let's start. And I used the 5.0 millimeter hook. First, you just start with 44 stitches. And here I just for the demonstration, so I just start with maybe 20 stitches, 20 chains. Then you go back. Here is the chain, and we need to pick up the bumps at the back. The bump at the back, the second bump from the back. So this one, we just pick up. Then do the brioche stitch. I have a separate video to show you how to the basic skills for the brioche stitches. And then here I will show you again. That is yarn over and pick up the loop. And pull the yarn. We supposed to pull the yarn through these 3 loops, but it is difficult to pull through at one time. So I need to pull through 1 loop. Then I turn the hook, let the hook face to the outside, and pull through. That's much easier. So yarn over, insert, and pull. Yarn over, insert, pull through 1. Don't pull the yarn again. Just use the same loop to pull through the other loops. So the first row is we start at the bump of the back. So at the beginning of each row, we need to make a chain stitch. This chain stitch doesn't count as any stitches. This is the first row. We pick up the bump. Okay, then the next row, first we have 1 chain stitch. This doesn't count as any stitch, and we turn the fabric. And from the second row, we pick up the back loop of each stitch to do the brioche stitch. So yarn over, pick up the back loop, pull through, and pull through. So I'm sorry. So this, we just repeat this to make a triangle. And here I have a piece which I have already made. This is also a beautiful color, right? And here I have the width here is 10 inch. And the length is 16 inch. So this is a 10 and 16 triangle. Then when I finished the last row, here, the 40 total I create, I think that is 80 rows. Then the last row, we just make a row of slip stitch. Also, pick up the back loop only. Pick up the back loop only. Make a slip stitch for the last row. So the 81 row is just slip stitch, one slip stitch on each of stitch. Now we have already finished the crochet part, and the next we need to sewing. So first we just cut about, leave the yarn about, I think maybe 1 foot is enough. Okay, so this is the triangle, and the right side and the wrong side are the same. So never mind it's which one is the right side, which one is the wrong side. So just fold this corner, fold this corner, and at the same time fold the opposite corner, fold this opposite corner, and use this yarn to sewing here. Here we can find the strips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We total sewing 9 strips. So here is same 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This. So I will sew this here together till here. This one we can come to here, and the next stitch come to next stitch, and this stitch come to this stitch, and this stitch. So we just sewing 9 strips, which means total is 18 rows. So just fold like this and sew these 9 strips together. And then just weave in the yarns. And also weave in this yarn, the yarn tail, or weave in. Then the cowl is finished. You just only need to fold this down, and that's it.